Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the premium Gen film and the all-in-one pack from Whitestone Dome for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, I do have a mix of these installed on my phone, so I'm using the premium Gen film on my inner screen, and then the all-in-one pack does come with two EPU films for the inner screen. These are the ones that don't have the installation tray. The premium Gen film is the higher quality inner plastic one. These are just a little bit lower quality, a little bit different type of material. And then this one has the EA glass. I'm actually using the EA glass privacy that they sent in a separate package. But you get all these items right here. You get the EA glass, the premium inner film, and two camera lens protectors. You get two of everything in the all-in-one pack. So if you're looking for a simple solution, this is about 30 bucks on Amazon. You get all three items right there, and like I said, you do get two of each. So the all-in-one pack is a good all-around protection for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 right there. But I usually use the premium Gen film. That is my go-to on my Z Fold 5 devices. This is the one that is the higher quality material, and it also comes with the installation tray, so everything lines up nicely. So taking a look at my Z Fold 5 here, I am using the privacy screen protector on the front, the EA glass. So you can see if you turn it to the sides, it shifts away and you can't see it. You can go up and down and still see it, but somebody off to your side would have a hard time looking at your screen. So that's pretty nice right there. A little bit of added privacy if you're out in public a lot, doing private stuff on your phone you don't want people to see. You have that option. This is what the tray looks like for that. I have a case on my phone, so it's not going to fit all the way on, but just for demonstration purposes, you just put it on top of your phone like this. Slide, 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 peel the sticker off, and boom, you're good to go. So very easy to install. That does come with the all-in-one pack. The clear one comes with the all-in-one pack rather. The privacy one is separate, but they both go on the exact same way. So that is the outside protection for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. I'm not using the camera protectors because they don't work with the case I'm using because the cutouts are individual. So usually with that, you either have to use a case that's just one cutout or no case at all if you're wanting to use the camera protector. And then right here we have the film on the inside. As you guys saw yesterday, I did do a live stream installing another screen protector and removing the factory one, and that was the Armor Suit matte protector. I did go ahead and remove that one because the matte one had a bit of a distortion effect on the inner screen, just being so large and bright, which Armor Suit did say was normal. They are sending me out the clear one to replace that, so that's nice of them. Very good customer service there. So I will check that one out as well, the clear one. I did order it myself, and then they did send me a replacement, so I'll have a few of those to check out. But this is the Whitestone Dome Premium Gen film right here, and the only issue I had is when I was doing it with the application tray, the bottom, which when it was in the tray it was like this, so the bottom right here slipped and kind of stuck to the screen, and I had to pull it back off and then put it on the applicator again. So there's a little bit of a mark right here and right here. I'm thinking that's where the adhesive stuck to the screen the first time and then was pulled off. But when the screen's on, you really can't see it unless you're on like a bright white image. Let me see if I can find something here, just this article. So you can kind of see it a tiny bit right there. Had it not slipped off, it was kind of my fault for not putting it on all the way, not really letting it slip and stuff like that. Not really a fault of the screen protector itself. That mark would not have been there, and this installation would have been perfect. But other than that, there's no bubbles or anything like that. Folding it has not been an issue. You'll see a lot of times on Amazon, the review for these, people show there's bubbles everywhere and it just didn't go on right. If you put it on and take your time, that will not happen. If you make sure you get all the bubbles out, you get the crease in there good, you won't have any issues with it bubbling up when you fold it or anything like that. I've been using these for years and I've never had that happen. On installation, 6 months down the road, nothing. I've used it on the flips, I've used it on the Fold 3, the Fold 4, and now it's on my Fold 5. And each one, other than, a tiny little issue right there with the installation, which like I said was my fault, not a fault of the screen protector, I have not had any issues with these whatsoever. So Whitestone Dome protection, if you're looking to replace your factory screen protector, is definitely your best bet, as well as your front glass right there. Nice screen protectors for that as well. A lot of people ask why I replaced the front protector. Mainly it's for reviewing these, but I do feel that the premium gen film is a higher quality screen protector than what comes on at factory. So even if you don't want to, if you don't need to replace it, the premium gen film, in my opinion, is better quality than what Samsung gives you out of the box. So if you feel comfortable, removing yours and replacing it, definitely the premium gen film right here. These run about $19.99 for a 1-pack, which is what Samsung would charge you after your free replacement of the screen protector. Those are both $19.99, so you can get this, do it yourself, and get something a little better quality. Links to all this will be down in the description. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.